this video we're going to take a look at the difference between a gutter hedgehog and a gutter guard. Approximately 6 years ago when we first moved in this property, we had a massive problem with blocked gutters. I cleaned out all of the gutters by going up there on a ladder, and then on some gutters I installed a guard like that, and on other gutters I installed a gutter hedgehog. If I had to choose the best one out of the gutter hedgehog and the gutter guard, I would definitely choose the gutter hedgehog. The reason for that is that these are very easy to install in the gutter. You simply place them in like so. That will prevent a lot of leaves, etc. from getting in the gutter, but it doesn't prevent everything. And eventually they do get filled up with dirt, etc. and before you know it, the gutter is overflowing. Having said that, these are very easy to clean out, and if it's a nice sunny day and you've had a few warm days, all you have to do is go up there on the ladder, pull that out, and a lot of the dirt comes out with the brush. You can then just give that a clean quite easily, clean any debris out of the gutter, and then put the hedgehog back. But that actually defeats the purpose of using the hedgehog in the first place. The gutter guard's a bit more difficult to install, and once that is installed, it is actually very time consuming to remove it and put it back again. And the big problem with these is that a lot of stuff drops through the squares in it, especially seeds, etc. and then you get trees growing out of the gutter, which then blocks them. A few months ago I had a leaking gutter at the front of the property. I went up there with the ladder thinking that I would be able to put some sealant in to seal the leaking joint, but unfortunately the gutter was full. The gutter hedgehog was actually full of debris and dirt, and that was causing the gutter to overflow. I actually removed the gutter hedgehog, got it on the floor, cleaned it, washed the gutter out and put it back. When you look at the cost of installing something like this, neither of these two options is cheap, and it doesn't actually stop your gutters getting blocked anyway. So the best option is to put nothing in your gutters and just get somebody round out your local paper, and he can vacuum out your gutters and ensure they are clean every 1 or 2 years. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.